Hey guys, just gonna review the first time doing silver bullet hours with demo trading. So yeah, check it out. So the first trade is AU, Australian USD versus USD. So yeah, I got in about here. See it on my MT5. Got in about here. Had my stop loss set for right here. I should have had it way down here, because if I did, it would have, you know, would have kept on going. But I cut her kind of short there. So yeah, if I had it just past this point here, I would have kept on going, would have got a win there. So there's a lesson learned, just to have your stop loss a little more slack. And the other trade was Bitcoin. So I entered here, and not even really sure which one of these orders it was, because I did one to buy and one to sell. Both of them were break even, because I have it set so once it gets away by 20 points and comes back, then it automatically moves the stop loss to break even. So what's this? Sell. So this is the sell here. So it went down, it automatically moved my stop loss, and then it went and stopped me out. So there's that. The good thing is, didn't lose any money. This one here, the same thing happened for the buy. But if I didn't have that set, then I would have ended up here with some good gains. So that's something to consider. Like, maybe I should set it for something a little bit farther away. But anyhow, that's the Bitcoin. And again, just playing off the fair value gaps, played off of these two here. Next on the list is Euro USD. I got in right about here. As you'll see here on my MT5, got in here, got the profit here. So we got a profit target there hit. So that's pretty sweet. Right after that stretch down. So that was right here, I believe. Right after the stretch down, went sideways, got in, and yeah, got a hit. So went up, and if you're watching it, I mean, like, I would have got it in here if I was watching it, but I was doing something else and I got in late. But anyhow, that's golden. The next trade I did was on GJ here, and I got in here for a buy, stopped out because my stop loss was too tight. But if I just had it even past this little swing pointer here, I would have got a pretty good gainer there. So that's too bad. Where did I get in here? It's hard to tell. Yeah, I got in somewhere about here because I realized that I missed it here. So I said to myself, well, if it comes back down, then I'm going to get in for a buy. But I had my stop loss set for this low here instead of this one here. So that's too bad. But anyway, the next move was on NAS 100. Went in for a sell here, and was expecting this fair value gaps to fill up, but it only went so far, halfway, and then it reversed all the way up here, and then the big move down. So really interesting how that worked out. That was NAS right there. Oops. This was NAS. There's all the fair value gaps. I was expecting it to fill up. Entered here, reversed, went back up, and then came back down there. And the next two trades I did was on UJ. Went for a sell here, went for a sell here, got stopped out because my stop loss was too tight again. Didn't even have it set past this spot here, which is too bad because it did end up going down pretty low. So yeah, I had it set for really tight, like right here. Yeah. So I should have had it at least for here or like here ideally. So again, stopped out because the stop loss was too tight. So that was these two down here, UJ. Next one was gold. Two losses on gold. Or sorry, oh no, yeah, that's right. Yeah, two on gold. One was from the other day. So went for buy here, reversed. Went for sell here, went the opposite way. And here's what it looked like with the fair value gaps. Oh, it was actually on the 5-minute chart by mistake. This is the 1 minute here for gold. So entered here for a sell, cut stopped out at the perfect height, and now it's reversing. Hilarious. So yeah, another lesson. Gotta have the stop loss a little bit wider for sure. Yeah, so that's the end of it. That's the first time trading Silver Bullet Hour, doing it actually as it comes during doing it live on a demo account. So looking forward to the next session. Pretty stoked. Just gotta have that stop loss a little bit wider, and then we're fire.